this is Priya Karanthal and welcome back to Tea Time. Today, we're going to spill the tea on cows. To speak on this topic, here's environmentalist Shrila Shah.
This is Channels Television's breaking news.
There's too many cows in America. Actually, screw that. There's too many cows in the world. Look at this. It looks almost like an exponential increase in cows since the year 1900. That's whack. And for the people who don't think this is whack, let me spill you a good cup of reality. And a select few may be thinking, why does this increase in cows even matter? Well, in 2018, there was over 100 million cows. This includes both dairy and beef. That's ridiculous. Think about it. An increase in cows means an increase in the cow's need for food. Cows basically only eat grass. This would mean chopping down diverse forests to monoculture only grass to feed a vastly disproportionate, quite frankly, obscene number of cows. Then this absolutely obscene number of cows will release a proportionally obscene amount of methane. The U.S. Food and Agriculture says that the agricultural methane output would increase by 60% by 2030. These methane particles will then rise up in the atmosphere and destroy the very ozone layer that protects the Earth from harmful, cancer-causing ultraviolet radiation. Moreover, the farming industry is currently profiting off of your hamburger eating habits. They're overbreeding cows, aka breeding cows just for the purpose of later being killed. Is this even slightly moral? They continue to do this as us humans are simply allowing them to be profitable and continuing to buy beef products. This in turn is directly destroying the Earth's wildlife, diversity, and the ozone layer, perpetuating the destruction of the only place that us humans can live in.
Damn! Wow! That was a lot to take in. Thank you for that, Shrila. Next, Tea Time thought it was necessary to invite another guest. We sent our beloved reporter to Hanover Farm to get an expert's opinion on this topic. Cheryl?
Good morning, Priya. My name is Cheryl Liu, and I am here today at Muscoot Farm. I have the blessed opportunity to interview an essential member of this local farm. He keeps the farm running successfully through all 4 seasons. Buttercup, how are you today? Cheryl, and I'm here today at Hanover Farm. Okay, fine. My last try. I was literally going.
You got it.
Yeah, I'm a cow, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat, I don't say meow. I'm a cow, I'm a cow. I'm a cow, I'm a cow. I go moo.